It's no secret that home services is a competitive space. Sometimes just getting in front of the right people feels like a struggle. Foxxr Digital Marketing has the solution. We specialize in content marketing that helps you publish what your audience wants to read and watch. We'll address their questions and concerns while creating engaging content to build trust and authority in your field. Stand out from the crowd with professional video marketing. We create engaging videos that help convert viewers into leads, from explainer videos to brand videos. Boost your brand's recognition with professional graphic design, from eye-catching social media graphics to print marketing and infographics. We make your brand memorable and consistent across every touchpoint. Plus, on written content like blogs, press releases, and service pages, we apply the science of on-page SEO to ensure your content ranks well on search engines, driving targeted traffic and converting it into valuable leads and sales. Content marketing is about creating a storyline that connects with your audience in a meaningful way. Ready to stand out? Let Foxxr help you tell your story. Call now for a free consultation.